Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix download folders in Explorer not working or not responding in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search button and type CMD. Make sure to run CMD as an administrator. Click on yes. And after that, just put these two commands. Just copy the first one and put it in here, which is daism.exe/online/cleanup image, and then /restore health, and hit enter. This is basically gonna deploy the image servicing and management tool. This is going to try to fix your drives so that if any errors are found, it's gonna repair them. So just patiently wait till it's done. And as you can see, it has been done. It says the restore operation completed successfully. The operation completed successfully. It wrote it 2 times. After that, just go ahead and type this command, which is sfc/scan now, and hit enter. This is basically do a system scan and will try to repair your system if there are any faults. Just give it some time. It's gonna take some time. And that's basically it. The verification has been done. The scan has completed. Just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix download folder in Explorer not responding in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.